Question: Accounting provides information on dash. Options: cost and income for managers, company's tax liability for a particular year, financial conditions of an institution, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Accounting plays a crucial role in providing various types of financial information to different stakeholders. The long-term assets that have no physical existence but are rights that have value is known as dash. Current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets, investments. Answer: option C, intangible assets. An intangible asset is an asset that is not a physical in nature. Goodwill, brand recognition, and intellectual property, such as patents, trademark, and copyrights, are all intangible assets. The assets that can be converted into cash within a short period, that is a 1 year or less, are known as dash. Current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets, investments. Answer: option A, current assets. Current assets include cash, cash equivalents, account receivable, stock inventory, marketable securities, prepaid liabilities, and other liquid assets. Patents, copyrights, and trademarks are dash. Current asset, fixed asset, intangible assets, investments. Answer: option C, intangible assets. Patent, copyrights, and trademarks are intangible assets. An intangible asset is an asset that is not physical in nature. Goodwill, brand recognition, and intellectual property, such as patents, trademark, and copyrights, are all intangible assets. The debts which are to be repaid within a short period, year or a less, 1 year or less, are known as dash. Options: current liabilities, fixed liabilities, contingent liabilities, all of the above. Answer: option A, current liabilities. The debts which are to be repaid within a short period, year or less, are known as current liabilities. Current liabilities are companies' debts or obligations that are due within 1 year or within a normal operating cycle. The sales income, credit and cash of a business during a given period is called dash. Transactions, sales returns, turnover, purchase returns. Answer: option C, turnover. Turnover refers to the total sales revenue generated by a business from selling goods or services during a specific period, including both credit and cash sales. Any written evidence in support of a business transaction is called dash. Journal, ledger, ledger posting, voucher. Answer: option D, voucher. Any written evidence in support of a business transaction is called voucher. Vouchers are the primary evidence of business transaction having take place. The account that records expenses, gains, and losses is dash. Personal account, real account, nominal account, none of the above. Answer: option C, nominal account. The accounts that record expenses, gains, and losses is nominal account. A nominal account is an account in which accounting transactions are stored for one fiscal year. Real account records dealing with creditors or debtors, dealing in commodities, gains and losses, all of the above. Answer: option B, dealings in commodities. Real account records dealings in commodities. In journal, the business transaction is recorded same day, next day, once in a week, once in a month. Answer: option A, same day. The journal, the business transaction is recorded same day. A journal, which is also known as a book of original entry. A journal is the first place that a that a transaction is written in accounting records. Question. The following is or are the type or types of journal: purchase journal, sales journal, cash journal, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. The following are the types of journal: purchase journal, sales journal, and cash journal. The process of entering all transactions from the journal to ledger is called dash: posting, entry, accounting, none of the above. Answer posting. The process of entering all transactions from the journal to ledger is called posting. Posting refers to the process of transferring entries in the journal into the accounts in the ledger. Question. The following is a statement showing the financial status of the company at any given time. Options: trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash book. Answer balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement showing the financial status of the company at any given time. The balance sheet, together with the statement of income statement and cash flow statement, make up the cornerstone of any company's financial statements. Question. The following is a statement of revenues and expenses for a specific period of time. Option: trading account, trial balance, profit and loss statements, balance sheet. Answer profit and loss statements. Profit and loss statement is a statement of revenues and expenses for a specific period of time, usually a fiscal quarter or year. Balance sheet is a statement of assets, liabilities, capital, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Balance sheet is a statement of assets, liabilities, and capital. Balance sheets are prepared daily, weekly, monthly, annually. Answer annually. Balance sheets are prepared annually. It lists the current and fixed assets on the left side of the balance sheet and liabilities and owner's equity capital on the right side. The ratios that refers to the ability of the firm to meet the short-term obligations out of its short-term resources. Options: liquidity ratio, leverage ratio, activity ratio, profitability ratio. Answer option A, liquidity ratio. The ratios that refers to the ability of the firm to meet the short-term obligation out of its short-term resources is known as liquidity ratio.